everyone. I am Kavya.
And I am Sudhakshi.
Today we are going to tell you about 3D printer. This is 3D printer. We can make several 3D models by it. Suppose we have to make a 20 mm cube. So first we have to turn on the printer. Then we have to touch on build button and select models from gallery. Then this is our model 20 mm cube. We have to go in it and start. The 3D printer is making the model. Our 3D model is ready.
We can also make curve with the help of 3D printer.